Hello students, how are you? So after a long break, come back again. We will see environmental studies subject and chapter number 12, what if it finishes. So let's start with chapter number 12. A bus journey. Today we were going on a school trip to the adult Stepwell, that is Bauli, about 18 kilometers from Ahmedabad. We began counting the vehicles on the road. Some of us counted the bicycles, others counted buses, cars and motorcycles. Abraham, who was counting bicycles, soon got bored. There were hardly any bicycles on this highways. Means they were counting bicycles. Means that Abraham was counting bicycles and he got bored because very few cycles he has counted. So he was thinking that why bicycles are not running on the highways. Suddenly the driver braked at the red light. It was a big crossing and we could see the traffic lined up on all sides. You can see it in the picture also. Traffic, honk honk, the sound of loud horns and the smoke coming out of the vehicles. Maybe that is why a little boy in a rickshaw was coughing so much. I smelled something familiar. I remembered this smell. It came from the Baba's factory in the village. Means he was spelling about petrol. And on the you can see on the road traffic was there and the sound of horns, then the smoke was emitting from that vehicles. So it is a really very difficult situation to live over there for at least 1 or 2 minutes also. So such a type of situation was there on the road. Now children, you have seen the picture in this previous page and there are some of the questions they have asked. What are the different kinds of vehicle that you can see? What do you think they need petrol and diesel as fuel? Which of the vehicle do you think give off smoke? Put a red mark on those. Which are the vehicles run without petrol and diesel? What problems do we face from speeding vehicles? Now they are asking you have to tell that, do you ride a bicycle? If yes, where all do you go on it? How do you come to school? How do your family members go to work from home? What problems can we have from smoke coming out of vehicles? And what kind of problems can we face from noise of vehicles, that is called honking? So children, it's a really a thing that we have to think about it. Because nowadays we are facing lots of problems because of pollution, because of global warming, and because of that you can see the changes. Some of the changes are there in the seasons also. Now it's a winter season, but you can see some of the time it is raining, some of the time it is cloudy, some of the time it's too hot. So this is because on nature many effects are there. Because of, you can say, because of pollution, because of global warming. So these are the things you have to think about it, that are you riding bicycles? Some of the vehicles are there that are running on petrols as well as on diesels. What are the bad effects or what are the effects of that if you are running that vehicles in a speed? What are the effects on the health when they are emitting that gases from the vehicles? So next you can see a petrol pump is there children. On the petrol pump what happens? After some time our bus stopped at a petrol pump. Now their bus stopped on the petrol pump. There was a long queue. It seemed as if we would have a long wait. As you can see it on the petrol pump also there is a large queue. Means many people are waiting to fill up petrol in their vehicles. We all got down from the bus and started looking around the petrol pump. We saw many large boards and posters. They have seen many posters over there. Now you can see, children, a drop of petrol you can see in the picture and the meter. Petrol and diesel will not last forever. Save it for your children. Means for future you have to save it, and for that purpose you have to apply some rule on yourself. Make every drop go a long way. Switch off the engine when you stop the car. There are some of the ways they have shown you, they have suggested you that how you should behave or how you should act when you are in vehicle. Whenever there is no use, you have to switch off the engine. Okay. Now here you can see the date, children, that 13/7/2017. See the children, the difference in the rates of 2017 and now it is 2021. November month is going on. Now you can see the difference in between the rate of the petrol. Now near about 100 rupees or near about 102 rupees or 100 rupees. The cost of petrol is for 1 liter. And you can see on 2017 the rate was 64.91 per liter. That is of petrol, and diesel rate 54.70 per liter. So we could not understand why it was written that petrol and diesel will not last forever. So children were thinking why it is written like that. We thought of asking an uncle who works at the petrol pump. They asked to the uncle why it is written like that, because they were children, they were not knowing that if we will not use it wisely, tomorrow or in future the condition may be there that they cannot get petrol anymore. So there is a conversation also in between them. So we will see that conversation in the next video. But children, please think about how we can use petrol wisely so that we can save petrol and we can use it for longer time. And we will see many things related to this petrol and renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. But that this is only introduction of the video of this chapter. So we will end up over here, but think about it, and it is advisable that we should use bicycles. Nowadays it's a current situation that no vehicle day. In some of the cities, some people are following also no vehicle day, means on particular one day we are not using any of the vehicles. There people are not using any vehicle. So that's all. Thank you for watching video. Please read chapter very carefully and use petrol as well as water wisely. Thank you.